Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. In amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, also known as ALS, ठीक है, a very famous personality also had this disorder, and it is also known as Lou Gehrig disease. ठीक है, it is neuroprotective. ठीक है, we have to give neuroprotective, that is riluzole, which is NMDA antagonist, and edaravone, it is an antioxidant. Okay, then we have to control the symptoms, like there is muscle spasm, so we give muscle relaxant like baclofen, like benzodiazepine we have studied earlier, and tizanidine. ठीक है, there is excessive drooling of saliva, for that we give anticholinergics. ठीक है, anticholinergics. And for the pseudobulbar symptoms we give dextromethorphan. ठीक है, we can also give quinidine for the pseudobulbar symptoms. Next we have to do is progeria syndrome. For progeria syndrome we give lonafarnib. ठीक है, you can remember this like lona means ले लो, ना farnib. ठीक है, next is multiple sclerosis. In case of multiple sclerosis, it is an autoimmune disorder. And gamma agonist myelin sheath is destroyed here, right? Myelin sheaths on the CNS neurons. ठीक है, against this there is antibody development. So if there is an acute attack, the drug of choice is IV methyl prednisolone steroid. Okay, and then we give IVIG, and we do plasmapheresis. Simple. ठीक है, now if we want to reduce the disease long term, ठीक है, obviously a patient will come, you will give him the medicine for long term. For if patient has multiple attacks, then you are going to give immunosuppressants, so that antibody could decrease. And the drug of choice is interferon, which is very expensive for common man to buy. ठीक है, you can give interferon B1A or 1B. You can give mitoxanton. You can give natalizumab. Again, these all are expensive. Ocrelizumab can also be given. It blocks CD20. ठीक है, next is disease modifying drugs for multiple sclerosis. glatiramer acetate oral. ठीक है, if resistant you can give glutamate mimics MBP1, lysine, alanine, tyrosine. ठीक है, all these things. ठीक है, from G. Next is ocrelizumab. It blocks CD20 and drug of choice in PPMS. ठीक है, fingolimod is sphingosine receptor modulator, decrease WBC migration and increase herpes zoster, and the side effect is it is cardiotoxic. ठीक है, next is interferon beta 1A or 1B, and it is drug of choice for RR multiple sclerosis, and the side effect is flu-like symptoms and hypothyroidism. You have to learn this by heart. Okay, next is natalizumab. It blocks integrin blocker, and the side effect is JC polyoma virus in the brain. For PMLE, it is not given beyond less than 18 months. So the maximum duration you can give for PMLE natalizumab is 18 months, that is 1.5 years, and treatment of VC or CT. Dimethyl fumarate. Daclizumab. Daclizumab is CD25 blocker. Alemtuzumab is CD52 blocker. Teriflunomide, ठीक है, its active form is leflunomide, which is very much known amongst you. ठीक है, active leflunomide inhibit the pyrimidine synthesis. Next is cladribine. Cladribine is anti-cancer, and mitoxantrone, it is also anti-cancer. Topoisomerase inhibitor. ठीक है.